أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Desi Arena signing in once again front of you. Welcome back to the channel viewers. Hope you all are fine. Me, Allah Almighty, plus you, prosperity, health, and wealth. Ameen. Summa Ameen. So, viewers, hello and welcome back to the channel, viewers. Today, we are featuring something truly timeless and elegant, a hand crochet table runners and matching coaster that bring charm, grace, and a sense of tradition to any table setup. Take a moment to observe the delicate crafted shapes, the centerpiece, the table runners displays a beautiful series of floral patterns arranged in perfect symmetry. Each flower is carefully spanned, giving the design room to breathe. The borders are crisp and clean, offering the refined edges that frames the entire work like a piece of art. As your eyes travel across the runners, notice the repeating motifs. Every flower, leaf, and grid-like structure has been thoughtfully placed to create harmony and flow. The open space allows light to pass through, casting soft shadows and make the texture even more captivating. Each square table runners is a single floral motif, echoing the larger design but on a more intimate scale. These coasters are more than functional, they are decoration details that elevate any table setting. When arranged together, the full set feels coordinated, graceful, and complete. This type of celebrates balance and repetitions. The flower elements are stylized, neither too abstract nor overly detailed, which gives them a timeless quality. The symmetry creates a calming visual rhythm, and the overall pattern feels like a gentle dance across the fabric. One of the most beautiful aspects of this style is the use, use of space. The background grade is subtle yet strong, acting as canvas for the floral designs to blow. It's like a garden frozen in motion, soft, elegant, and endless, satisfying to look at. And it's just a look at the borders. There are nice, slightly textured, and carefully finished. The contrast between the open mesh and the prior addings really helps the piece hold its shape and style. It adds definitions, giving the runners a finished, polished look from every angle. This kind of creation is not rushed, it's craft with patience, one stitched at a time, and you can feel that is every square inch of the work. Each motif is bullet row by row, thoughtfully constructed to form unified pictures. There a rhythm to it, a peaceful routine that flows thought the entire piece. Watching the pattern grow is almost meditative, like building something meaningful from the ground up. Imagine sitting down in quiet room, working stably thought each selection, watching the flowers emerge. It's not just about making something useful, it's about enjoy the process, connecting with the creativity and expressing beauty thoughts, the simplicity of means. To sum it all up, these table runners and coasters sit more than just decor. It's a quiet statement of elegance, a nod to tradition, and gentle reminder that beauty can be created slowly with care and by hand. Whether you are here for design, inspiration, relaxation, or just admire the art of crochet, I hope this piece brings you as much joy it as brought to those who made it. Let this be your gentle motivations to create something beautiful, to celebrate the handmade, and to enjoy the process one stitch at a time. Thank you so much for joining today's me with me. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful designs and timeless patterns. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and stay kind. So viewers, here to write us from the city of country. So you are watching our videos, so we can give you a lot of love from the bottom of heart for supporting and watching our videos. And viewers, you are watching our videos on the daily basis on my YouTube channel Desi Arena. So click the channel, watch the videos, click the bell icon, press the subscribe button, and also press the thumbs up button. And viewers, if you like this video, so you can press the thumbs up button, and if you does not like the video, so you can press the thumbs down button. And thank you so much for watching this video, viewers. Hope so you are liking this video. So see you in next video. Stay creative, stay inspired, and stay kind. So thank you so much. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.